welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing I'm following Vanessa's tutorial, and basically she's a professional. I'm not a professional. It's not gonna be perfect, but I love the look that she did, and that just bangs with her, you know what I'm saying? I don't have all the products that she has, but she did drop some gems in the video, some tips for makeup, and she is dark skinned, so I'm gonna stick to the tips that she said and see how it comes out. Obviously I know that it's not gonna be the same, but I still want to try it and see how it goes. So yeah, stay tuned for the video. Alright, so in her video she started off by doing her face first and then doing her eyeshadow, but see, I'm not at that level. I don't no, it don't work for me because I be in eyeshadow everywhere on my face, and we're not going to do that because then I'll have to do it over again. I'm just not trying to do that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to do my eyes first and then do what she did after. Okay. To base my eyes, this is concealer, and it is the Juvia's Place number 9 concealer. I got the palette, so okay, she didn't do anything with her eyes. She didn't set it or anything, so we're going straight in. What she used? Okay, ginger, which is right here. Let's get into this. I should use this mirror because it just makes more sense. I don't have to get it all over me. Okay, so ginger, and where did she put it? Okay, she just put it up here as a transition color. Let me make sure that's what she said.
A trick I like to do is that I like to pull my eyeshadow out.
Okay. And another tip she said throughout this video is don't rush. Take your sweet time. Don't let nobody rush you. Don't let nobody tell you that you need to hurry up your makeup. Take as long as you like, sis. Wow. I really like it.
So I use the shade Gingerbread all over my lid. You want to use a shade that's a little bit lighter than your natural skin tone, and I just add that baby all over my lid. It's such a beautiful.
So she used the Color de Rain gingerbread color, but I don't have that color, so I'm going to try to use, it kind of looks like orangey to me, but not too orange. So I was thinking about using edges on the Jackie Aina palette, but then I also have the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I was thinking about using Realgar. I don't know which one. I ended up using edges in the Modern Renaissance palette, Realgar, and I realized it looks reddish. I see on her eyes that it's like a little reddish, but like it's like orangey. It's like more orangey, so then I mixed ginger on top of it to make it look similar. So the ginger is like lightening it up a bit, so it looks almost the same as her. If this was actual liner, I would be so proud of myself because I actually like how it looks. So she ended up later on deciding that she wants to put a different color in her inner eye, and because we don't have the same colors, yeah, it's gonna be a little hard used, which is gonna be something light like this, and I'm gonna put it in the inner just like she did. And that's why, you know, things will not come out the same because I'm not using the same colors or anything like that, but really different from what she did. Okay, hers now looks browner with the first color, the orangey color. Hers looks like nude, and mine looks orange, but I like it like this, but do I want to fix it and mess it up? This is his decision. Trying to maybe make it like hers. Or should I leave it alone? I think I should leave it alone. Oh God. I should have left it alone. Now, another trick. Let your highlight sit. So I'm gonna let it sit for like 5 minutes. That's what I'm gonna do. We'll be right back. And she put a lot of powder. So I'm gonna pack on the powder too. She said use the beauty blender to take off your setting powder. I don't know about that, but we gonna see. Let me take off the okay, so she didn't rub, she pushed it in. So let's push it in. Oh no. I'm feeling a little ashy, but hey. Okay. So I definitely get it. But this is, I'm gonna say that you need like practice to do this, because I get it, I get the picture, but it's like, let me shut up, let me finish first before I talk. But it definitely looks brighter, she ain't lie about that. I look bright. I'm gonna take the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, that's what she used, and she drenched her face. But then you take a fan and you do it, and do it quick. Shoot. Woo! I think it worked. Oh, it worked. Definitely see her vision. It worked. We gonna pack it. Y'all. Ooh, jeez. I think I packed it a little too much. But she said it don't matter. It's okay.
Not too warm.
I'm gonna put highlighter. Ooh. Can let me know if you think that it looks remotely somewhat some type of something like her. I definitely love the new tricks I learned with the under eye. They helped. I definitely see the brightness in it, and I think you should try it. It definitely takes time. I ain't gonna lie to you. You need to do it when you have time to do it, and not when you're going out, but try it first at home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are wondering what hair I am wearing, it is from my new website, Eye Candy Hair. The link will be down below. This video was brought to you in part by Eye Candy Hair, Eye Candy Bundles. Get your wigs and bundles now, sis, for the low. Okay, sis, get it now.
Party after party, party after party.